Hi, good evening, everybody. Welcome to Salesforce admin course here. Right. Hi, I'm Rakesh. I introduce myself. You're all able to see my PPT, right? Somebody can speak with me. You can unmute, right? And then you can speak. You're able to see the PPT, right?
Yeah, we can see your screen.
Okay. So, welcome to Salesforce, right? Admin course here. I'm Rakesh Kumar, right? I have nearly about 6 to 7 years of experience in Salesforce, right? Currently, I'm working as a developer in Salesforce, right? In a company, software company, got it. So we are going to drive extensively about Salesforce admin. On the completion of Salesforce admin, if you are interested, we can go with your Salesforce development. So, but Salesforce development is also required. When you go as an admin, you should know the coding part also. Got it? But here we don't have any coding part. Everything is going to be a point and click method. Right? Drag and drop, like a kind of drag and drop. Got it? So, this is a Salesforce administration course. So what is required in case you have any problems, you want to connect, right? You want to write it, right? You want to pen it or something, you can go for support@logicallabstech.com and you can send a mail to them. Got it? So your course is going to start from 15th today, right? So time is going to be 7 p.m. I'm the trainer. So the course is going to be for 50 hours, right? So in case you want to talk with the backend team, you can connect with this, you can make a note of this number and then you can connect with them. Anything about the fees, right? So anything about the timing and you have a, here they use Graphy, right? In the Graphy, all your demo sessions, right? Everything will be uploaded. Now, but it's going to be 3 days demo session will be given. Based on that, you can join the course so that I'm going to help you both the way. Right, one way is for your certification and also for your concepts. Right, you can also write your certificate. I do support for certification also. I help making you to write the certification also. Right. So I have done a lot of batches. I'm doing a lot of training with Salesforce, AWS. I give a lot of batches, right? So like, yes, any problem? I think so many of them are in the lobby. So the first three sessions is going to be free for you, right, to attend. On the fourth session, the Zoom link will be provided who has been registered participant. Right. Once you pay the fees, right, then you book your slot, like you book your seats. Only those candidates can attend the class from fourth day onwards. Right. So now, first two session recordings will be uploaded in your YouTube channel also. So the link would be shared to you. You can check it. Right, you can check your WhatsApp community. I think already you would have registered with your, registered your WhatsApp community, right? From day one, you're going to have all these three recordings on your WhatsApp, right? So there's no any other batch here, right? You cannot go to shift. Once you pay, you cannot refund the amount here. They cannot refund, right? So session updates will be given if there is any cancellation of session. Right, all the stuff will be given to you, will be intimated by the backend team through the WhatsApp. So maximum it will not be the session will not get stopped or right like everything. Every day the session will go. It is going to be for weekdays, 5 days, right? The session will be from Monday to Friday. Got it. So like all the session, as I told you, all the session notes, everything I'm going to provide you. And notes and everything will be uploaded on the graphic. You can make use of these notes, right? Access plan, right? So here when you do this course, right? You are simultaneously have to use trial head also. You can join this WhatsApp community, right? The link has been given here. You can make use of it. Got it. So then I'll share you the access plan today, right? So that based on that, you're going to go, you're going to register yourself in the trial head, and you can do it here. Apart from that, in case you want a job here, right? Anyway, right? So that case we have a journey to Salesforce, right? You can register to journey to Salesforce, and when you do all the modules there, you'll get a lot of swags here. And finally, get once you complete all the 4 modules which is prescribed there, you'll get a $200 voucher also free of cost. And all those things I'll tell you later, but not now. And only thing is that you have to listen the course, right? And the course content is also available on the link. You can check the course content also. I'll share you the course content also now, so that you can understand what all things will be covered, right? So then everything would be available here, and my exercise also will share you. So because I cannot be able to check whether you have done the exercise or not, so I will share my exercises, then I'll share my trailblazer links, right? So everything, so that you can see there everything there. You can get it everything there, but this thing will be provided after you join the course, not now. Right? After you join the course, then I'll provide you everything. Right? Now, first 3 days is going to be demo class. Got it? So that I'm going to give you the description about the Salesforce here. Got it? So, like as I told you, like Monday till Friday, like Monday to Saturday, in between 9 to 7. It is not Saturday. It is but the course is going to be from Monday to Friday. But the team backend team will be available from Monday to Saturday between 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. In case you want to contact, you can contact to this number, right? So this is all about logical app and all the stuff. Now we'll get into the Salesforce here. Then before getting into Salesforce, you should know, but I think you would have discussed, you would have got the details about course content also here in the link. I'll show you from here itself. So total it is going to be 50 hours, right? So like we provide, so what all things will be covered here? Introduction to cloud computing. We should know what is cloud computing all about. Then we discuss about introduction to Salesforce, data models, implementing business logic, Salesforce security, data management tool. Right, we're going to discuss about Salesforce auditing, then the business process automation. Right, and then we are going to discuss about Salesforce report and dashboard, Chatter. How you're going to use a Chatter license? Right, what is Chatter? How you're going to build your community? Then we're going to discuss about the Salesforce app exchange. It is a place where we have like a play store, like we have a app exchange for Salesforce. We have lakhs and lakhs of applications deployed there. You can make it is paid one and free are available there, right? Then we're going to discuss about what is Sales Cloud theory, and then here we're going to discuss about accounts, contacts. Then we're going to discuss about opportunities, right? So leads and so on. We're going to discuss price book, right? How to create a contract, so on. We're going to discuss about all these things in the Sales Cloud, in Salesforce. These all comes in the Sales Cloud only. We're going to discuss elaborately about the Sales Cloud. Then followed with introduction to Service Cloud will be given to you. Introduction to Service Cloud also given, right? So here we are going to discuss knowledge checkup. How we are going to use case management tools here, right? How to set up the case here, how to configure the case, right? Then what are the case management tools are available? All these things will be discussed here, right? So now see here in the introduction to cloud computing, we are going to discuss about introduction, cloud service model, what are the benefits of the cloud, introduction to CRM, what is CRM? How can CRM help you? Evolution of CRM, benefits of CRM in the market will be covered here. Right, then introduction to Salesforce. Slowly we get into Salesforce here. We're going to discuss about what is Salesforce, Salesforce CRM, what are the license you're going to use it. Right. So then what is Sandbox? We're going to discuss. Then we're going to discuss about the products and service in Salesforce. We're going to discuss about App Exchange, then creating and developing an account. Today itself, I'll try to make you develop create the account here, right? So then, so you're going to enable catching and auto complete on SPFC login page. So only thing is because it's a cloud, right? You go to login.salesforce.com and you have to, once after you create your developer account, right? You have to log in. So when you log in, you're going to enter the username and password. Each and every time you cannot remember the username and password, right? So that case, what you do, you're going to enable the caching here. Autocomplete will help you. Automatic username password will be displayed so that you can log in. You can switch from one organization to another organization also. You can have multiple organization also here. Right, navigating. So the Salesforce.com, we're going to navigate how what are the things are available here in the org. Right, we're going to discuss the company profile, physical financial statements, type of application, Salesforce technical terms. Right, we are going to discuss. Then coming to data model. So here we're going to discuss about Salesforce objects, right? A relationship among it, right? What are the types of relationship? Like we have three different types of relationship here. We are going to discuss here. We have something called lookup relationship. So like many to many relationship, right? So like we have one is to many relationship. So all these things we are going to discuss hierarchical relationship. All these things will be covered in data model, right? Schema builder, everything will be discussed. Coming to business logic, we are going to discuss about formula field, cross object formula field, validation rule, activating and deactivating the validation rule, roll up summary, field dependency. All these things we're going to discuss in business logic. Setting up the user interface like page type, page element, page layout, accessing the page layout, right? Setting up the user interface, now create or edit the page layout, right? Page layout assignment, profiles, right? Then we're going to discuss about the profile here, page layout, custom list view. All these things will be discussed here, right? In setup and user interface. In security, data security models, right? System level security, application level security, record level security, right? All these things will be covered here, right? In system level security, we're going to discuss about role, hierarchy, groups, right? Queues and so on. So whereas in the application level security. We're going to discuss about OWC setting, right? Um, right. So we're going to discuss about sharing settings for custom object, sharing rules, create a record type, page type, and page element. So data management tool. Here in this, we're going to use Apex Loader. How we're going to insert the record, insert the data into your using Apex Loader. We're going to discuss insert, update, delete, and also right. So then we're going to discuss about data management tool, like inserting a record, update, upsert, right, delete, and so on. Then we're going to discuss about Salesforce auditing, right? We have field history tracking and Salesforce auditing. Apart from that, automated business process, we're going to discuss about three different types of email templates, mass email templates, right? And then we're going to discuss about workflow rule, right? So then we're going to create a letterhead, HTML letterhead, custom letterhead. So then we're going to discuss workflow rule, then approval process, then process builder, flow builder. All these things will be discussed here in business process automation. Right? Automate sending the email alert using workflow rules and so on. We're going to discuss. Right? So then we're going to discuss about the report and dashboard. How to create a generator report, how to create a report. Right? So how to create a custom report, matrix report, how to create a dashboard. So then chatter in Salesforce. How to enable the chatter feed and tracking, post your features in the layout, like lightning pay layout, chatter post, right? Everything. How to write your first post, we are going to discuss here. You're going to build a community, right? You know very well. Salesforce provides more importance for community, right? Can create a community, can exchange your thoughts, exchange your documents, right? Everything here it can do, can add members and can recommend the members here. You can conduct pools, right? You can do login and registration here through the community, right? You can do training, everything can be done with the community. How do you create a community website? That we are going to discuss. Then we are going to discuss the app exchange. Already I told you about app exchange here, right? So then, the sales cloud, right? Here we're going to discuss about leads, how to convert leads, what is accounts, contact, product, opportunities, campaign, how to convert from web to lead form, right? How to create a web lead form in Salesforce. All these things we're going to discuss. Then service cloud, as I told you, we're going to discuss about cases, case assignment rule, case escalation rule, right? All those things like converting from web to case form, knowledge setup, all those things will be covered here. With this, the 50 hours training will get over. And I complete all this training, all these topics. Got it? So these things will be covered here in 50 hours. Right? No doubt about it, we'll cover. And then, so you can get ready for certification. I can write your certification also. Provided if you want the vouchers, I'll get you the vouchers and share it with you when you contact me. You can contact Logical Lab, right? So through them, you'll be contacted. I'll provide the vouchers to them so that you can get the vouchers from them. You can write your exams also. Got it? So that is going to help. It is going to be a stepping stone for you, which will fetch your job. You can get your jobs also, right? So for once you complete this course, Logical Lab will provide you certificates also. Got it? So now again we'll go back to my class here. So now we're going to discuss about cloud computing. So before getting into cloud computing, right? So we'll discuss about introduction to Salesforce. So Salesforce is one of the leading cloud computing platform, which provides a lot of services, right? Like sales cloud, right? Service cloud, marketing cloud. It is not required. There is no any prerequisite. Only general knowledge is required. So just if you know what is cloud is more than sufficient. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Before starting the class, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Any development experience? No, it is not required. No development required. Experience not required. Then So once you complete this course, right, you can become a certified Salesforce certified administrator, and you can float your resume on the market, and you can try for admin also, right? Especially in Pune, right? So like Maharashtra, right side, there are a lot of openings for admin also. Gurgaon, right? So like there we have a lot of openings. Even here in Hyderabad also we have openings. Yeah, very well you can use it. Yes, you can very well. You have already have 12 years of IT experience, right? You very well you can use it here. Yes, you can convert the IT experience and you can move to Salesforce here. Very well you can do. Yes, very well. Cross platform, like people who are from civil, mechanical can also learn this course and can join the company. Right? For you can move to Salesforce here. Very well. Any other doubts? Great. You have DB experience. Yes, very well. You can move to Salesforce. Yes, you can go. No problem. So even your DB experience will also help you there. But here, when it comes to Salesforce, we have only single database. We don't have, but actually the Salesforce is developed by using Oracle and Java. Right? That's how they have been developed here. So no problem. That is going to help you out. But here they don't tell you what database they are using. Especially we do not know. But I came to know that they use Oracle database, right? So internally they're using Oracle database. But here we are going to have a metadata. We're going to maintain metadata that we are going to discuss here. Any other doubts you have it? Any other doubts you have it? Okay, fine. We'll discuss about Salesforce, introduction to Salesforce. So it is nothing but leading cloud computing platform. It offers lot of services like Sales Cloud, IoT Cloud, B-commerce Cloud, right? So Service Cloud, right? Likewise, we have different services. It provides a lot of services, right? So it comes under software as a service, right? So it gives it to customer and partners, right? So in order to better understand the Salesforce concept, before getting into Salesforce concept, we should know what is cloud computing all about, right? We should know cloud computing all about. So like now we are going to discuss about cloud computing, which is a term in which a consumer can get services like software support, platform development, right? Infrastructure management, sharing e-business over the internet. Right? You're going to get all kind of services over the internet, like demand, compute services, infrastructure service, right? Software services, everything you're going to get in the over the through the internet here. Right? That is what we call as cloud computing. The basic idea behind cloud computing is that anywhere, anytime, you can able to access the resources. You can access the platform. You can develop your application over the internet. So the service provided by the cloud computing have the characteristics like elasticity, dynamic, right? Cost effectiveness, on-demand service, pay as you wish, right? How much you're going to use for that, you're going to pay for it, right? So here, the different types of stakeholders are available, like end user, cloud service provider, cloud tool provider, cloud application vendor, right? You know very well end user, the consumer. And we are all we come under end user, right? We are end users. So like a cloud service provider, there are a lot of service providers are available. One of them is Salesforce. Like with Zoho is there, like different cloud service providers are there. In case you want to purchase any cloud, you can purchase a cloud from them, right? Then tool provides inside the cloud. We have to use a lot of tools, third-party tools here. For them also, we have tool providers here. So from them, we can purchase the tools and manage it here on the cloud. And we have cloud application vendors also, right? So like we should know what is cloud computing. It is nothing but in simple terms, storing or accessing a data or a program over the internet. That is what we call as a cloud computing. Right? Nothing but you're going to access your data, your other information over the internet. That is what we call as cloud computing. Instead of accessing everything on the hard drive. Right? You know, nowadays we don't use hard drive at all. Everything you want to maintain it on the cloud. Right? You are going to use OneDrive or you're going to use Google Drive. Right? So this is only cloud platform, right? Where you're going to store all the data, record data. Got it? Fine. When it comes to cloud service models, there are three different types of cloud service models are available. One is called software as a service, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service. One is called software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. You know, but because Salesforce provide importance to software as a service, right? So it starts with software as a service. Got it. So all the softwares will be provided in the form of a service, right? You can make use of it. You don't need to have all the softwares. You can lend it, right? How much you want it, you can use it. The example is Google and Salesforce. Right? Whereas coming to platform as a service, it provides a platform. Right? Even Salesforce has a lot of platform like Post.com platform, Do.com platform, Disk.com platform. Likewise, they have a lot of platforms, right? So even Salesforce supports platform as a service. For developing our application, we require a platform. You know very well. Right? So that case, we require platform as service. So like infrastructure as service. You should not think hardware, right? So like lifting, like all those things, you have to think as a software. So AWS and most of the companies like, right? So they are specialized in infrastructure as a service. Everything will be seen as a software, like your hub, your switch, right? And then like your servers, everything is going to be form of software, right? In case you want to configure within a span of time, you can configure, you can automate the configuration so that within a span of time you can install it, right? So that case, so the example is Amazon Web Services is going to be a good example for infrastructure service, right? So here, when it comes to cloud service model, so there are three types of cloud services are available. One is going to be software as a service, the other one is platform as a service, the other one is infrastructure as a service. Even AWS is going to take the help from the Salesforce. They have built their LMS, everything with the help of Salesforce only, right? So using Sales Cloud, right? They have developed their LMS. Once you log in to AWS LMS or something, AWS Web Services, AWS Academy, the AWS Academy website has been built only using Salesforce. So once you log out, you can see the Salesforce logo will come. The Salesforce logo will come. So they take the help from the software service. They take the help from the Salesforce, right? Similarly, Salesforce also will take the help from AWS for with respect to infrastructure itself, right? So what are the services which is being used in Salesforce? It is used by like we use software as a service and also platform as a service. Got it? I told you about what is software as a service, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service. It's a way of providing application service over the internet. We're going to provide the services, that is, we're going to provide the application service over the internet. Right? You can access it and you're going to pay how much you're going to use it, how much you're using. That is platform as a service, providing a way to develop, to test and manage a business application. That case, you go for platform as service, right? So example is Salesforce, Google, and App Engine, right? So our infrastructure as our service, you're going to rent it. You're going to take it for rental, right? So everything is going to be taken for rental, and how much you're going to use it, for that you're going to pay for it. Like example is virtual machine, network, storages, operating system, right? And so on. Like example, AT&T, laboratory, like AWS, right? The Salesforce and so on, right? So these are the different types of models, service models are available. Now coming to benefits of cloud, right? There are 8 benefits of clouds are available, like cost effectiveness, right? So the next one is 24/7 is available. It is easily accessible, security, fast implementation, cloud collaboration, instantly scalable, automate your updates. So normally when you want to develop, when you want to use a software development life cycle, it takes such a long time, right? And for each and every business, you are going to develop you're going to develop different models here. Got it? So in that case, there's a doubt. As part of this course, you will be covering capstone projects and real-time use cases. Yes. I told you already, right? Also, do we need to have scripting experience for auto? Not as of now, it is not required. Scripting is not required here. Only if you're going to learn LWC, the scripting knowledge is required. Even developer also, we don't have scripting. I'll give you my one project you have to develop. So here, developing a project, right? Nothing else. That only thing is that it is a point and click method, right? You're going to drag and drop it. You're going to develop your application without writing any code. You're going to do approval process. You're going to use a workflow rule for flow builder. So even with coding also you can do with flow builder, or without coding also you can do. Mainly there's less code. You're going to use less code. No code or less code. Got it? So when it comes to cost effectiveness, right? So here Salesforce is providing a common platform, common software here, which you can use it so that can bring down the cost here, right? That is called cost effective. So otherwise, what for each and every, like say for example, there is a different companies are there, right? So there are different banks are there. For each and every bank, what you have to have a separate. You have to start from the scratch. You have to develop the same banking software to three or four different, for four different, five different banks. You have to develop it. But here, so the template will be created according to your need. They will customize it and they will give it to you, right? So here you're going to share the cost here. So that case, it comes down. The cost comes down. So it is going to be cost effective. And second thing, it is going to be available. 24/7 is going to be available. And you can wherever you want, anywhere, any, right? Even you go anywhere. From there, only thing is that you require fast internet connection to that you can able to access it. Then you're going to have a security. So for each and every layer, you're going to provide a security, right? Here also we have to provide a security, right? We provide a security here and fast implementation. So you can able to implement everything fastly here. You're not going to take time, right? You can collaborate with the other users, right? So through communities, you can collaborate, you can share your thoughts, you can exchange your information, right? And then you can able to scale, right, your software. Right, assignment required, you can scale it according, you can expand it, right? Apart from that, we have automatic updates, right? Like how you get it on your mobile and laptop, automatically get updated on the cloud also, right? You do not know, right? These are the benefits of cloud here. Now see here, like we discussed about less cost. So you're not going to invest more capital here, right? Just you're going to pay for which you're going to use it. And 24/7 is available, right? And it is easily accessible, right, through the internet, right? Either it is accessible through various media like a mobile app, right? So like you can use it anyway, right? Like mobile or with other gadgets also, you can able electronic gadgets, you can able to access it here, right? Security, right? So it provides security, like totally it has been reduced, right? So all the risk has been reduced here, right? It provides a huge security and fast implementation. I told you, you can sign up and you can create an application, you can deploy your application fastly. You can able to collaborate with other users, right? In your organization, right? It is instantly scalable, right? Any number of users can also be in case when you require users, you can add users. When you don't want it, they can delete the users, can remove the users here. So either user or resources can scale it here accordingly. And seamless update, you're going to get it. These are the benefits of the cloud. Now we're going to get into introduction to CRM. How many doubts you can ask you up to here? Introduction to CRM. How many doubts you can ask me? What is the how many doubts you can ask me? Otherwise, we'll get into introduction to CRM. The introduction to CRM. Before getting into introduction to CRM, I'll tell you how to create a account. I'll tell you how to create an account. Right? Before getting into introduction CRM, we'll learn how to create an account. After completion of this course, to which level of job or which level of job you can apply or advanced level course is required or this will this is a basic admin course, right? A lot of jargons are available. If you come to know what is Sales Cloud, like I told you, like accounts, contact, opportunities, all this you have to come across, right? You have to know. Like after this, we have advanced admin. Like when you want to go 1 year as an admin, like CPQ, right? We have a lot of app builder courses are also there, right? Can do that also, but thing is that my thing is that you have to do developer course. Apex, right? Apex programming is there. You have to learn that also. After this course, you can better go for developer course. Once you complete this two level, that is more than sufficient. You can search for the job and you can get a job. You can market your resume. You can get a job from the market. Based on that, after you join the company, they will tell you they'll put you on the different modules, different levels, right? Based on that, you can try. You can do other courses. They will give you training. To start with, you can go for admin and then you can go for developer. Even you go as a tester, you should know how to manage the code, how to write a code. Right? If you understand the code, right, whatever is written. So that case, we have a tester, business administration. We have a lot of courses here. Right? But every level we have opportunity. Right? We have a lot of opportunity in the market. For developer, we have a lot of opportunity. And for developer, we have a lot of opportunity. Got it? And for admin also, we have no problem. You can go as admin also. It depends. But I recommend you to go for developer course also. Followed with you have to learn developer also. So how to use Apex coding, right? Visual Force page, Aura component, LWC, and so on. Any other doubts? Okay. That. Okay, fine. So now we'll see how to register ourselves. How to register. Right, I'll show you now how to register. For which what you have to do. One moment. I'll share with my URL. So what you have to do is that I think you are able to see my web page, right? You have to go for developer.salesforce.com/sign. You have to go for developer.salesforce.com/sign. Right? You have to you have to register yourself. Right? You are the developer, right? A Salesforce platform environment for free. You have to enter the name. And then enter the name here, an email address, your role, right? So though you're administrative, you are going to do developer work only. The company name, region, state, right? Postal code, and username should be in the form of email ID. Username should be in the form of email ID, right? So like this, Rakhi, Rakesh at the rate of logical labs.com. It should be like, it should be in this format. You can write any name, anything you can give, right? It should be in the form of Gmail. Then you agree. So I'll say I agree the main service agreement, developer service Salesforce program agreement. As I would like to receive the marketing communication regarding Salesforce product service. Even I can subscribe at any time, or I can unsubscribe any time by registering your confirm that you agree the processing for a personal data service are described in the private statement. Now click on sign here. It takes some time, right? 2 minutes, and then once it is confirmed, a mail will be sent to your mail ID, whatever mail ID you have given. There you have to go and verify. Now you have to check your mail. Now it is done. I have to go and check my mail. One moment, I didn't get the mail. I'm waiting for the mail here. Or it's like if you also can do registration of itself. Simultaneously, you can also register yourself and verify your user. So it takes some time. Still, I'm waiting. I don't get the mail. Yeah, I got the mail. I'll show you. I'll share it with you. So now we can able to see my mail here. Welcome to Salesforce, right? Verify your account from developer@salesforce.com, right? This is a mail, you'll get it. Once you get the mail, right, you have to click on verify account. Right, then you have to enter the user like the password. You have to enter the password. You can enter the password as you wish. So then you can provide the security question also, right? So the moment you click on the button, it will take you to the organization. This is called, we call org. The moment, right, the moment you log in, right, the moment you give the username and password, it will take you to the org, right? About this org, I'll tell you later, not now. Right, what is this? This is a home page. Right, this we have a quick find box in setup. Right, so this app launcher. So then object manager. So how we going to not to create an app object, right? We go with object manager or by using create and so on, right? Anyway, we are going to discuss about navigating your Salesforce account. That again, I'm going to tell you here. Right? So first, what you do? First thing is that first step, you all have to register. Have you all done? Have you all done the registration? If you have done the registration, please type chat yes here. Otherwise, do the registration now. So then only you can access the sales cloud. So if you done the registration, all of you, right? Please say yes here on the chat box. Please say yes on the chat box. You done the registration. Okay, Dinesh has done. What about others? I'll give you time. You can do the registration. First, you have to do the registration. Then you'll get into cloud, right? Others you are doing or not? Like, you please tell me. So that is the task we're going to do it today. Remaining things, right, we can discuss tomorrow. First, try to complete the registration. First, try to complete the registration. Only Dinesh has done. What about others? So please, others can say that you're doing. Just register here as doing, so that I can understand that you're doing. You're doing registration. Have you all done it? What about Ashwin, Sheikh? Only Dinesh has done. What about Ravi Kiran, Sunkari, Subhash Krishna Swami? They're all doing it. It's better if you go with developer. Okay. So, but you have to do admin also. But developer, the prerequisite is admin. You have to do admin course, and then you can do developer also. What about others? Okay, you complete this, and we'll. I'll stop your remaining things. We'll discuss tomorrow. Right. The thing is that so you complete this exercise and come back tomorrow. So we continue about what is CRM, right? What is Salesforce CRM? We'll discuss tomorrow. All right. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Otherwise, I'll wind up this session. We'll continue with tomorrow's class, right? We'll complete it tomorrow. Hello. Good evening, Kevin. Okay, okay. సరే సరే రేపు కూడా పెట్టుకుంటా ప్రాబ్లం లేదు మీరు ఓకే 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 నో ప్రాబ్లం So we'll stop here. We'll remaining things we'll see tomorrow. I'm signing off. Bye bye. See you. Bye bye.